Before 1565, the pre-colonial period, Philippines was occupied by people from nearby islands and formed themselves into various barangays that was led by the datus. In 1565 to 1898, the Spanish period, the Philippines was colonized by Spain for over 3 centuries. Spanish rule introduced a centralized government system with Manila as the capital. Local governance was established through the encomienda system, which granted land and labor to Spanish conquistadors. The Catholic Church played a significant role in both politics and society. In 1896 to 1897, the Katipunan government. The Katipunan, a revolutionary society, emerged to fight against Spanish rule. Led by Andres Bonifacio, it aimed for Philippine independence. The Katipunan established its own government and initiated the Philippine Revolution in 1896. In 1897 to 1898, Biak na Bato Republic. After initial successes, the Katipunan leaders entered into a truce with Spain, resulting in the establishment of the Biak na Bato Republic. However, tensions persisted, leading to the Pact of Biak na Bato, which promised reforms and exiled Emilio Aguinaldo and other revolutionary leaders. In 1898 to 1901, Aguinaldo's dictatorship, Aguinaldo returned from exile and resumed the revolution against Spain with the outbreak of the Spanish-American War. The United States intervened and the Philippines declared independence on June 12, 1898. Aguinaldo declared himself president, leading to the First Philippine Republic. However, the Treaty of Paris in 1898 ceded the Philippines to the United States. In 1898 to 1946, the American period, the United States established colonial rule in the Philippines. Under American governance, significant reforms were implemented, including the establishment of democratic institutions and the introduction of public education. The Philippines was granted Commonwealth status in 1935, paving the way for eventual independence. In 1942 to 1945, the Japanese period. During World War II, Japan invaded and occupied the Philippines. The Japanese established a puppet government under Jose P. Laurel, known as the Second Philippine Republic. Filipinos faced oppression, exploitation, and atrocities during this period. The Japanese occupation ended with the Allied liberation in 1945. In 1946 to 1972, the Third Republic, the Philippines gained independence from the United States in 1946. The Third Republic was characterized by post-war reconstruction, economic development, and political stability under presidents such as Manuel Rojas, Elpidio Quirino, and Ramon Magsaysay. In 1972 to 1986, the Fourth Republic began with Ferdinand Marcos' Declaration of Martial Law in 1972, citing the need to combat communism and restore order. The Marcos regime was marked by authoritarian rule, human rights, and others. Opposition to the regime eventually led to the People Power Revolution in 1986, ousting Marcos from power. 1986 to the present, the Fifth Republic was established following the People Power Revolution, which installed Corazon Aquino as president. The new constitution, ratified in 1987, aimed to restore democracy, promote social justice, and address the issues of the previous regime. Subsequent administrations have grappled the challenges such as political instability, corruption, economic development, and territorial disputes.